Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you how to download the zombie mod pack, which has the flying mod and a bunch of other stuff that I don't feel like going into detail with. I know people usually just get it for the flying, but you can explore it and see what other mods you like. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need the mod pack, and you're going to need the mod loader version 5. I'll leave links in the description for both of them. The mod loader description will lead you to here. Just scroll down till you see the mods, mod loader beta, download V5, do this one, and then the zombie mod pack or whatever will lead you to here, and you scroll down. There we go. And you go to this, and you download this one, the current version, and you download that. So, once you have those downloaded, save them to your desktop, and I'm going to start off from scratch. So, as Minecraft's loading and everything, come on. Why did 2 open? Alright, well, let me get my new .minecraft file. And once it's done downloading, I'll show you how to get the mod and everything. Okay, it's all downloaded now. Go to start, run, app data percent, whatever. You should probably know how to do this. And here's your .minecraft file. Go to bin, right click your Minecraft and open it with WinRAR. Alright, it'll bring you to here. Open up your mod loader with WinRAR. Just highlight everything and drag it in there. And then go to your mod pack. Open that up with WinRAR. Open up your classes, highlight everything, drag it in there. Go to source, highlight everything, drag it in there. Now you have to delete this file, the meta-inf file, you have to delete it. Alright, now you're done with this. Now, sorry, I accidentally exited out of that. Go to resources, make a new folder, name it mod. Open that up, make a new folder, name it ZOMBE. You have to spell it like that. I don't know why, you just have to. Now go back to your mod pack and open up config. Highlight all these text files and everything and drag it into the mod zombie thing. When you're done with that, now to activate the mod, you open up the config, and you'll get this big notepad thing where it, like Cloud Mod, if you wanted to enable it, you delete that number sign in front of there. But I'm just going to show you the fly mod, so I'll scroll down until I see it. Fly mod right here. Fly mod enabled equals yes. Just delete this number key in front of there. Make my own custom letters. And the letters that you make that are custom have to be capitalized. Otherwise it doesn't work. And this is the speed. I'll just leave the speed how it is. Now once you have all that changed, go to File, Save. Alright, now let's open up Minecraft. Alright, here we are with Minecraft. Let's go to single player, create a new world. Let it take 30 minutes to generate the level. Here we are. Oh, it's got to save the chunks now. Now, sometimes this happens, sometimes it doesn't, but now do you see this red text up on my left hand? If you get that, just don't panic, just save and exit and go back to your desktop. Once you're back to your .minecraft folder, whatever, now I have a new folder called mods, which wasn't there in the first place. So go back to resources, take this folder that you made, drag it to your desktop, go back, go into mods, go into zombie, and then drag all this stuff in there. So I was just showing you guys what could happen, like if you accidentally downloaded it wrong or put it in the wrong spot like I did. So now that I got that, I'll go to Minecraft and show you that it actually worked. Alright, we're in our Minecraft world. No red text. And when I press Z, now it says I'm flying. Whoa, look at me. I'm flying. And it's not loading very fast. But yeah, there you go. I just friend requested me to do this for him. Show you how to get the fly mod for Minecraft, and it comes with a bunch of other mods that you can use or monkey around with. Jeez, it's really lagging really bad. So, if you did what I did, where you didn't create the mods folder in the beginning, you'll get that red text, and all you gotta do is just do what I did and just go back, drag it to your desktop, and then drag those back in. Sorry if I went a little bit fast. It's going on 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm super tired. Want to get this over with before I go to bed. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys and have fun flying.